Imagine living a life where nothing disturbs your inner peace, where insults, challenges, and chaos around you don't affect you. How powerful would that be? Today we will explore 10 transformative Buddhist teachings that can help you achieve this unshakable state of mind. As Buddha once said, peace comes from within, do not seek it without. Let's dive into how we can build this inner sanctuary together. Principle 1. Insults and offense. In Buddhism, we learn that insults only hold power if we allow them to. Imagine someone throwing a stone into a pond. The water ripples, but eventually it returns to calm. Similarly, when someone says something hurtful, it may disturb us for a moment, but we can choose to let it go and regain our peace. Buddha said, holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. By releasing anger and understanding that others' words often reflect their own struggles, we can maintain compassion and stay unaffected by negativity. Principle 2. Turn everyone into a teacher. Buddhism teaches us to view everyone we meet as a teacher. This means every person, whether they bring joy or hardship, has something valuable to teach us. Buddha said, by taking care of yourself, you take care of others. By taking care of others, you take care of yourself. This mindset turns challenges into growth opportunities. For example, when someone is unkind, it teaches us patience and compassion, helping us stay open-minded and less affected by negativity. Principle 3. Transform envy into inspiration. Rather than feeling envious, Buddhism encourages us to transform envy into inspiration. When we see someone succeed, we should feel motivated, not diminished. As Buddha said, don't be jealous of others' virtues, but strive to adopt them yourself. This mindset shifts our focus to learning from others and improving ourselves, keeping us positive and driven by our own growth. Principle 4. Be tough on yourself, tolerant of others. Buddhism encourages self-discipline while being understanding of others. We should hold ourselves to high standards but recognize that others are on their own paths. Buddha said, you, as much as anyone else in the universe, deserve your love and affection. By focusing on our personal growth and being empathetic toward others, we cultivate both discipline and compassion. Principle 5. No one can hurt you without your consent. Buddhism teaches that no one can hurt us unless we allow them to. Buddha said, no one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. By developing inner strength and peace, we become resilient to external harm, like a tree that bends but doesn't break in the wind. This principle empowers us to take responsibility for our reactions and build a life less affected by others' negativity. Principle 6. The power of acceptance. Acceptance is a powerful tool in Buddhism. It means embracing reality without judgment or resistance. Buddha taught, accept what is, let go of what was, and have faith in what will be. By accepting life as it unfolds, we conserve our energy for positive actions rather than fighting against things beyond our control. This helps us navigate challenges more smoothly and build stronger, more compassionate relationships. Principle 7. Live in harmony with nature. Buddhism encourages living in tune with nature. Buddha said, just as a candle cannot burn without fire, humans cannot live without a spiritual life. By aligning ourselves with natural cycles and rhythms, such as rising with the sun and resting when it sets, we stay grounded, reduce stress, and foster a healthier, more balanced life. Principle 8. Ethical living. Ethical living is central to Buddhist philosophy. Buddha taught, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. Living ethically means practicing honesty, compassion, and respect for all living beings. By focusing on integrity, we build positive karma, which leads to a peaceful and harmonious life, free from guilt and regret. Principle 9. Practice gratitude. Gratitude transforms how we see life. Buddha said, let us rise up and be thankful. If we learned little today, we learned something. By regularly practicing gratitude, we shift our focus from what's lacking to what we already have. This simple change in perspective strengthens our resilience and allows us to handle life's challenges with greater ease. Principle 10. Trust the process and let go of control. Buddhism teaches that suffering often comes from our desire to control everything. Buddha said, "You only lose what you cling to." By letting go of rigid expectations and trusting the natural flow of life, we reduce stress and embrace life's unfolding with a sense of calm and freedom. This principle encourages us to stay present, trust the journey, and remain unshaken by external events. By applying these 10 Buddhist principles, we can cultivate an unshakable mind. Remember, true peace comes from within. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others seeking tranquility.